What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video guys, I will teach you the choreography that I made to the song called Woman by Doja. Is it Doja or Doha? Doja Cat. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So alright everybody, from here, make sure you close your feet first. So 5, 6, 7, and slowly 1, 2, 3, close on 4. Then you're gonna go open to your left, hips 5, punch 6, your hips 7, then followed by the right 8. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Sorry, not this one. So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's continue. From here, go up 1, open on 2, change weight on 3, down again on 4, head tilt up 4, push on 5, center on 6, open on 7 and 8. So when you open, your weight is on your left. So basically, you just put your weight like that and you get a nap. Okay? So from here, 7, up, 1, 2, change, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue. From here, side, 1, 2, step to your left, 3, and a 4. So basically 3 and 4. Turn 5, open on 6, 7, the 8. Copy that? One more time. So from 7, not on 8, away 1, 2, 3, turn 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, paddle brace 7 and 1 and 2 while doing 1 and 2. Okay, 7 and go 1 and 2. This one is continue. Side 3, push on 4, center on 5, 6, 7, open on 8. Okay, so let's try 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, go 1 and 2, 3, push on 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Continue. This time you're gonna do figure 8 slowly first. Right, left, then quick. Right, left, and. So the count is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, wrong count. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10, 8. Center first. Okay. I get confused on that count. Let's try first from the beginning. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, and 5, 6. Here we go. Turn 8. 1, 2, 3. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6. That's a count. And 7 and 8. Okay? So 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back. 5. Back on 6. Overhead. 7 and 8. Next, this is a simple walk. Shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open on 5, 6, close on 7, lift on 8. Okay? That's a simple one. Last 2 8s. So 7, 8, go 1, 2. Don't forget the shoulder. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. Here we go. 7 down and 1. Don't touch your right. You need to touch your left. So 1 up, 2. Your left up, 2, 3, down 4. Same 4. This one, 3 up 4. Sorry, I'm looking there. Okay, one more time. So you end up 7, 8, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So drop on 4. At the same time, you close your feet. 3 and a 4. Okay? Go front, 5, center on 6, hips on 7, 8. So boom and 8. Copy. One more time. We start from here. Yes, good, pinky. So here we go. 6, 7 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So simple as that. It goes like this again. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is overhead. 5, 6. Watch. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Let's clarify that. One more time. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Overhead step. 5, 6, then 7, and 8. Single count. Hope you got that one. Last 8. But before we go to the last 8, let's polish this one. 6, 7 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So I'm trying to avoid not to use the floor. 7 and 8. Okay, then turn this one. It's like this. You're gonna turn like this. 7, 8, 1. Down, jump, 1, 2, down 3, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, down 5, 6, 7, and pose on 8. So this goes like cha, chi, and pose. Any pose do you like? Okay. Or you can just like cha, cha, and down. Okay? Let's try from the last part. So we end up 7 and 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, and 4. Straight. 5, 6, 7, 8. And go lang by phone. Okay? Let's try everything from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Back. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Turn around. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Vertebra. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Quick close. Back. And 7, 8. Shoulder. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and yeah! Good job!
I can be
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on my video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.